can't hear anyone on Zoom or they can't hear you. Yeah, that's one of the most common meeting problems. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Zoom audio issues fast, whether it's your mic, speakers, or settings. First, open Zoom and click the small arrow next to the microphone icon. Make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If the wrong device is chosen, Zoom might be using headphones, a webcam mic, or even a disconnected device. Next, click Test Speaker and Microphone. Zoom will play a sound and ask you to speak so you can confirm both devices work. If you don't hear anything, switch to another speaker option and test again. If Zoom still has no sound, your system might be blocking access. On Windows, open Sound Settings and make sure the correct input and output devices are active. On macOS, check Privacy and Security settings to confirm Zoom is allowed to use your microphone. Yeah, this sounds basic, but it fixes a lot of cases. Make sure your headset is plugged in properly, Bluetooth headphones are connected, and your laptop isn't muted with a keyboard shortcut or hardware switch. Sometimes the issue is just a glitch. Close Zoom completely, reopen it, and check for updates. An outdated version can cause audio bugs, especially after system updates. If you joined a meeting but still hear nothing, you might not actually be connected to audio. Click Join Audio in the bottom corner and choose Computer Audio. A lot of people miss this step, especially when joining from a link. And that's it. One of these fixes almost always gets Zoom audio working again. Try them in order, and you should be back in your meeting in no time.